Jamrea Kitchen.
The first video in our base recipes playlist, where we will upload short videos showing a simple recipe which can then be used as a basis or ingredient in other dishes and meals, is dairy-free chocolate ganache. The two ingredients required to make this simple component recipe are dark chocolate, this one is completely dairy-free, plant milk, we are using Oatly Barista oat milk as it has a fairly high fat content and mimics the double cream usually used in ganache recipes. You need to just scald your milk, either in a saucepan or microwave, until it's steaming and slightly bubbling around the edges. Then add in your chocolate, broken into pieces, and mix with a fork or whisk. Gradually, the chocolate will melt in the residual heat of the milk and they will combine. You need to use the same amount of chocolate to milk. For example, 200 grams of chocolate and 200 millilitres of milk. You can use about 10% less milk for a slightly firmer set ganache. Keep stirring, making sure to scrape down the sides and keep everything incorporating so that it really emulsifies and becomes one smooth consistency. Eventually, you will end up with this thick mixture, smooth and glossy. At this point, decant your ganache into a container. Just a washed up jam jar like this will do, or if you're using it to decorate a cake, refrigerate in the bowl just until it sets to the desired consistency. Otherwise, pop your container in the fridge for a couple of hours or overnight to completely set. Once set, you get this smooth, shiny, spreadable chocolate ganache that you can use in many different recipes for decorating cakes and even small servings as an almost chocolate mousse type dessert.